Welcome back to the Quantity Surveying Chronicles. In this section, we are moving a step forward into the construction process by preparing the taking off list for superstructure works. The superstructure refers to everything above the substructure, and at this stage of measurement, it is critical because it forms the backbone of cost planning, bill preparation, and accurate estimation. Our focus today will be compiling a structured list of elements that appear consistently across most building projects. This approach ensures that we build a framework that is easy to understand, simple to adapt, and reliable for future reference. It is important to know that the list we are preparing here is generic. By generic, I mean that it is not tied to one particular project or set of drawings. Instead, it captures the standard sequence of items you would expect to find when taking off superstructure elements in line with professional practice. Think of it as a foundation document, a checklist that guides us through what we measured before we ever look at a real set of drawings. Later on, I will complement this generic list with the specific project drawing we are working on at the moment. That will help us see how these standard principles are applied in practice, how variations occur from one project to another, and why we are having a well-prepared generic framework makes the process smoother, faster, and less prone to oversight. So, as we begin, keep in mind that today's exercise is about building structure and order in our measurement practice. The practical demonstration with the actual drawing will follow, but for now, let's focus on laying down this solid base for superstructure takeoff. And that brings us to the end of this section on preparing the generic taking off list for superstructure works. What we've done here is to create a clear methodological framework that captures all the essential elements you would expect in most projects. This type of structured list is a valuable tool for any quantity surveyor because it reduces the chances of omission and keeps your measurement process well organized from the start. And that's it for today, and I will see you shortly. You're welcome.